Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate, guys, the gauges, the instrument cluster fuse now on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here. We have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's inside the vehicle under the steering wheel, right under the dash. If you look upside down, guys, you're going to see a fuse box next to your OBD port. That's the fuse box right here. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly show you now which fuses we need to check for that purpose, guys. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the instrument cluster, you're going to see the fuse box. You have numbers 1 and 13 on the first row. The fuses go in that order. Then you have 14 to 26, then you have 27 to 39. The fuse for the instrument cluster will be in that row on the very bottom towards the OBD side, and you start fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that 7th fuse, that 10 amp fuse, guys, that's the one that you will need to check right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.